Imagine effortlessly zipping through New York City, reaching every destination with ease and confidence. What is the secret to navigating its bustling public transport system without a hitch? To avoid problems on New York public transport, the key is preparation and awareness, combining smart planning with vigilance during your journeys. This proactive approach helps you sidestep common issues and enjoy a smooth travel experience across the city. New York's transit system, including the subway and buses, is incredibly efficient but also vast and heavily used, especially during peak times. Understanding its scale and busiest periods, and being prepared for crowds and potential delays, is why these strategies are so important. It is all about mastering the rhythm of the city. First, always plan your route ahead of time using a reliable map app. This will show you the fastest trains, any service changes, and estimated travel times. Second, acquire your fare media in advance, either a MetroCard or by using OMNY, which is the contactless payment system allowing you to tap and go with your credit card or smartphone. This saves precious time at the station. Third, try to avoid the busiest rush hours, typically from 6:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. on weekdays, if your schedule allows. If you must travel during these times, expect very crowded trains and platforms. Always stand clear of the platform edge and let passengers exit before you board. Finally, stay aware of your surroundings, keep your valuables secure and out of sight, and use the buddy system if traveling with friends. An insider tip is to download an offline map of the subway system, which is invaluable when cell service is spotty underground. Also, remember that subway cars are equipped with emergency intercoms. If you ever feel uncomfortable or witness an issue, you can use these to connect directly with the train operator. Remember that buses offer a different perspective of the city and can be a great alternative during non-peak hours, allowing you to see the streets while you travel. By embracing these simple yet effective habits, you will not only navigate New York City's public transport system like a seasoned local but also significantly enhance your overall travel enjoyment, making your urban adventures smooth and worry-free.